For us to be able to move forward and heal, we need to change. Change is a very important aspect of our healing process. It's a pity though, usually we frown upon a change. When we see people changing, we don't want people to change. We want things to remain the same, and yet everything around us is changing. Even kuma relationships esinawo, that is where we fail as people, and then bese kuba sengazuthi esine challenge when it comes to relationships. Kanti it's thina, we don't want people to change. No one can stay and remain the same. When people go through life changes, they find themselves uthola ukuthi umuntu uyashintsha all of a sudden, and then abantu sebethi ayi usushintshile. There's nothing wrong with that, because a person is going through some transformation from within, and le transformation eyenzekayo kumuntu isuke affectwa i-universe. I-universe yona isuke ivumile ngoba ivuma yonke into ukuthi yenzeke empilweni zethu, abese yena uyayifila ngaphakathi umuntu and bese iyabonakala ngaphandle. Maybe we should be embracing those type of changes, because everything happens for a greater good. It's just that on the onset, when you see change, uyathuka bese uthi hey, angisakwazi-ke ukuthi usubani-ke manje. Okay, then let me reintroduce myself. And then, because we are going to change, we're not going to remain the same forever when the rest of the world is changing. Like I always say, Uguti,